I'm about to make some crab salad. Cook with me. My daughter said she wanted some tuna salad. It's part of our Labor Day feast, but I didn't feel like no tuna salad. So this is what I did. I'm just gonna let the bottom singe up just a little bit, burn the butt just a little bit. Okay, let's make our seasoning for the crab salad. So that's vegan mayo. And then I'm gonna go in with some vegan sour cream. Literally just eyeballing this and making this up, okay? Not that much. So I added the vegan sour cream to that. Now I'm gonna go in with some capers. Oh, I can't get them out of here like that. Oh, I want that caper juice and a little bit of caper juice. I just want to show you my veggies. They're so beautiful. Isn't that so beautiful? Now I'm gonna go in with some minced ginger, some sweet onion, and some green onion. Just add that to the bowl. I'm just gonna fold this all in together. I was just getting ready to do my powdered seasonings. You see my pink salt, but I almost forgot my salad cubes. So I'm going in with some sweet salad cubes with no juice. Like, try to squeeze all the juice out of them you can get out of. They're already gonna have juice in them, so you don't need to do no extra. Squeeze it. Not that much. Okay, I added some diced jalapenos, those salad cubes I was talking about. That's coarse black pepper, favorite seasoning, pink salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and oregano. And I'm gonna squeeze some key lime juice. I'm also gonna dice the avocado up in here. I diced it up real small. Okay, so I cut the avocado up. I'm gonna stir this all together. Now I'm gonna go in with my buttered noodles. Don't forget to butter your noodles. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. We're gonna add this crab now. It's like room temperature. The butter is all melted into it. And let's fold that in with some cilantro. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I put a little bit more of all the powdered seasoning. Well, not all of them. Garlic powder, black pepper. That's actually it. I put a little bit more garlic powder and black pepper, and I'm going in with 1 Maggi cube for the whole salad. I'm gonna drink some Simply Limeade with my crab salad. Ooh, it's that crab salad. You know, I had to make it upper echelon and top it with smoked paprika, some raw red bell pepper, and those are some, what are these things called? They're harvest snaps. These little harvest snaps. They taste really good with the crab salad. So let's see what it's doing. Mmm, delicious. See that big lump crab? Let's put some on a bell pepper bite. Mmm. Oh wow. Phenomenal. Let's just sit here. Let's sit here and eat this, okay? If you're gonna stay, we're gonna eat. Hold on. I mean, I had to sit down. Y'all can stay. I don't have to go. But I need to tell you something, okay? That last bite was definitely the bite of the summer. It was the bite of the summer. Of the whole summer. Mmm. Mmm. The juiciness of this bell pepper got a little sweet to it, and that fresh, clean crunch, and the creaminess of this crab salad, and these African flavors coming out of here. I mean, winter, spring, summer, fall. This should be at all the kickbacks, all the football parties. Okay, all the glam camping weekends, the glamping weekends. Every holiday function next to the potato salad. For sure. A staple. Add it. Add it. I'm trying to keep letting you see something with food on it because the food keep disappearing. I'm so happy. Eating good make you happy. If you struggling with anger and depression, I know you don't have good food. I know you don't. And that's probably why. That'll make anybody angry. I feel, symptoms of depression. You gotta eat good food. Thinking about a day without good food give me anxiety. It just sounds like, what's my why? Like, those home cafe jokes. Okay. I lied, I gotta go. Cause y'all in the way, like, my food is here, you're here, and I'm back here. So you need to move. I gotta go.